Hello everyone and welcome! I'm so glad you're joining me today because we're tackling a topic that affects millions, and that's diabetes. Now, managing diabetes can feel like a full-time job, can it? But what if I told you that some of the most powerful tools to help you take control are right there in your kitchen, on your grocery list? That's right, the food you eat plays an absolutely critical role, a starring role, in managing your blood sugar levels, improving your insulin sensitivity, and ultimately living a vibrant, healthier life with diabetes. It's not just about avoiding certain foods, it's about embracing the right ones, the ones that work your body. Here on Healthy Facts 101, our mission is to empower you with accurate, actionable health information that you can use every single day to transform your well-being. We believe that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. We cut through the confusion, break down the science, and give you the straightforward facts you need. We want to be your trusted partner on your journey to a healthier you, providing insights that are not just informative, but also inspiring and easy to implement into your busy lives. Think of us as your go-to source for all things health and wellness, explained clearly and simply. Today we're diving deep into a subject that's close to my heart, the incredible power of nutrition in diabetes care. I'm going to reveal 5 essential foods that are absolute game changers for managing diabetes. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find ingredients. These are powerhouse foods that you can easily incorporate into your daily meals. We'll explore exactly they're so beneficial, how they work in your body, and practical ways to make them a delicious part of your diet. So get ready to take notes, because this information could truly make a difference in how you manage your diabetes and feel every single day. Let's dive into leafy greens, your blood sugar's best friend. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and more are low in calories and carbs. They help manage blood sugar and are packed with nutrients. Incorporate them into your daily meals for better health. Your body will thank you. Next up on our list of diabetes-friendly superfoods are berries. Yes, those delicious, vibrant jewels of nature. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. Many people with diabetes shy away from fruit, fearing the sugar content, but berries are a fantastic exception, and in fact, a powerful ally in your fight for stable blood sugar. They are nature's candy, but with incredible health benefits packed inside. While they do contain natural sugars, they are also incredibly high in fiber. This fiber content is crucial because it slows down the digestion and absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. So, instead of a rapid sugar rush that you might get from other sweet treats, berries provide a more gradual release of glucose. Beyond fiber, berries are absolutely loaded with antioxidants, particularly a type called anthocyanins. These are the compounds that give berries their rich red, blue, and purple colors. Anthocyanins have been extensively studied for their health benefits, including their potential to improve insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity means your body's cells can use glucose more effectively, helping to lower blood sugar levels. Think about blueberries, for example. Studies have suggested that regular consumption of blueberries can improve insulin sensitivity in individuals with insulin resistance. Raspberries, both red and black, are also champions. They are not only high in fiber and antioxidants, but also relatively low in sugar compared to many other fruits. Strawberries, too, are a great choice, offering a good dose of vitamin C along with their blood sugar-friendly properties. Some research indicates that the polyphenols in berries can inhibit certain digestive enzymes that break down starches into sugar. This means fewer carbohydrates are broken down and absorbed, leading to a smaller rise in blood sugar after meals. Berries, with their potent anti-inflammatory properties, can help combat chronic low-grade inflammation. Incorporating berries into your diabetic diet is wonderfully easy and delicious. Add a handful to your morning oatmeal or whole grain cereal. Blend them into a smoothie with some unsweetened yogurt and leafy greens. Enjoy them as a refreshing snack on their own. Or toss them into a salad for a burst of sweetness and color. Fresh or frozen berries are both excellent choices. Frozen berries are often picked at peak ripeness and retain their nutrients. It's important, however, to be mindful of portion sizes, as with any food containing carbohydrates. A typical serving might be about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup. Compared to many other fruits, berries generally have a lower glycemic index. So let's embrace the power of berries. Make them a regular feature in your meals and snacks. Chapter 3. Whole grains, the smart carb for sustained energy, Now let's talk about carbohydrates, a topic that often causes confusion and concern for people with diabetes. But here's the crucial distinction. Not all carbs are created equal. We need to focus on carbs, and that's where whole grains come into the picture. Foods like oats, quinoa, brown rice, barley, and whole wheat bread or pasta are fundamentally different from their refined counterparts, and this difference is vital for diabetes management. The primary reason whole grains are so beneficial is their high fiber content. Unlike refined grains, which have had their bran and germ removed, stripping away most of the fiber and nutrients, whole grains keep all parts of the grain intact. This fiber does wonders for blood sugar control. It slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual and lower rise in blood glucose levels after meals. Whole grains, on the other hand, are like a slow-burning log, providing sustained energy and keeping your blood sugar levels more stable throughout the day. Beyond fiber, whole grains are packed with essential nutrients that are often missing in refined grains. They are good sources of B vitamins, iron, folate, selenium, potassium, and magnesium. We've already talked about magnesium's role in glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. These nutrients work synergistically to support overall health and can be particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Oatmeal, especially steel-cut or rolled oats, not the instant sugary kind, is a fantastic breakfast choice. It's rich in a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower cholesterol levels. Quinoa is another excellent option. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, and it's also a good source of fiber and minerals. Brown rice, as opposed to white rice, retains its bran and germ, offering more fiber and nutrients. When choosing whole grain products, it's important to be a savvy shopper. Look for the word whole as the first ingredient, such as whole wheat flour or whole oats. Incorporating whole grains into your meals can be quite simple. Swap white rice for brown rice or quinoa. Choose whole wheat bread for your sandwiches instead of white bread. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts. Use whole wheat pasta for your Italian dishes. Experiment with less common grains like barley or farro in soups and salads. Regular consumption of whole grains has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, which is a common and serious complication of diabetes. So, the message here is to embrace whole grains as part of a balanced diabetic diet. Chapter 4. Nuts, a crunchy, heart-healthy addition to your diabetic diet. Nuts are a nutritional powerhouse for diabetes management. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, pecans, and cashews are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They help lower LDL cholesterol, improve heart health, and stabilize blood sugar levels. Enjoy a small handful daily or add them to meals for a crunchy, heart-healthy boost. Chapter 5. Fish, the omega-3 powerhouse for diabetes and heart health. Our final essential food for diabetes management is fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, trout, and herring. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3s support heart health by reducing triglycerides, lowering blood pressure, and decreasing heart disease risk. Higher fish intake is linked to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Choose healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, broiling, or steaming. Make fish a regular part of your eating plan. Chapter 6. Your plate, your power. Take control of diabetes today. So there you have it. 5 incredible essential foods that can make a real difference in managing diabetes. Leafy greens for their low-carb, nutrient-rich power. Berries for their fiber and antioxidant punch that helps control blood sugar. Whole grains for sustained energy and vital nutrients. Nuts for their healthy fats and satisfying crunch. And fatty fish for its heart-protective omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet isn't just about eating healthy. It's about actively taking control of your diabetes and investing in a healthier, more vibrant future. Remember, every bite you take is an opportunity to nourish your body and support its incredible ability to heal and thrive. I truly hope this information has empowered you and given you practical, actionable steps you can start taking today. Managing diabetes is a journey, and Healthy Facts 101 is here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel reach more people who need this information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos packed with more health facts and tips.